and welcome. I am Queen Bubbles. Here I'm on a journey to a credit score of 740. Now I'm going to do a mini series of me fixing my own credit, and hopefully this inspires you to fix your credit. Now, before I do that, before anything like sending out dispute letters or anything like, this is the first critical step that I didn't do in the past that I should have did, but I learned. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so before I actually get right into the video, I want to show you my credit score right here on the side of me somewhere. Okay, credit score, Credit Karma. I'm planning to fix this. Right now it's at a 590. So since it's at a 590, I want to get like to 740. And also I'm going to be working on my business credit as well, but we're going to do the personal credit first. So I want that to be a 740, but this is what I started with. In 3 months, we're going to see what I end up with. All right. Okay, so next you will go to LexisNexis. Here, you're just going to pick your reasons. They have like multiple reasons. And then the next page, you will put your personal information in and hit submit. Just going over the steps again if I went a little fast. Okay, now next we have the Sage stream. You do the same thing here. The opt-out is right there, the little blue hyperlink. You press that, it's going to take you right there. You fill that out and you hit submit as well. Okay, next we have the check system, and you do the same thing. You just have to find the opt-out form, but this one is you send it to their PO box that they have on here. And then we have ARS, and then we also have CoreLogic as well, and I'm just going through all of those over again. Okay, now with some of these, you actually have to, like 2 of them, as you see when I go through like the LexisNexis and all that, the opt-out, right? Some of these you actually have to send a form to the PO box, which is fun. We can definitely do that because we don't want them to verify our information. So once you actually fill all of them out, I just feel like that's the best bet to do, is fill them all out so they can't verify you. And this is how you actually get the dispute letters of the credit letters to go through that you're sending them. All right. See you soon for episode number 2.